Okay, here's a Goodman air conditioner right here. Yeah, there's Tim Brandish, of course. Tim Brandish's dad. Copeland scroll. I can't get to the data sheet. There it is, and there's a marina right there. Oh, there's another one right here. This one's big. Good grief, man. Well, it's not really that. It's not like tall. It's just fat. I've never seen that. I don't think I've ever seen a Goodman this fat. And there's that marina right there. It's the same one. Alright, let's get the tonnage and year and stuff off this thing. Oh, of course, data's over here. It's a 13 seer, I can already tell you that. It's a 5-ton. Oh, it's not that big. From 2011, February 2011, 13 seer, yeah. It's a GSH 13, I guess. Alright. Well, I guess over and out.